So these are the Cricket Beamer puppies. There are 9 of them. And there's also one Savannah Atom puppy in here. Little Lacey is 5 weeks old, right here. This is Lacey. Hello, pretty girl. She is Savannah's puppy. That is Savannah right there. And the rest of these puppies belong to Cricket. And they are 4 weeks old. So you'll probably notice there is a bit of difference in activity level between the two. But Cricket's pups are doing well. They are getting active, starting to play with toys, interact with each other. Hey, babies! You'll notice they don't have collars on anymore. That's because they've outgrown their collars. And I need to put new ones on. And we will do that in this next week. So on the right, we have, well, in the front now, is Amber. Pretty little girl. Yes. Hi, Amber. Hi, baby. Happy girl. She has a very flat, straight coat. It's very soft. Pretty little markings on the feet. You can't see it. It's not visible in the camera, but she's got her little side cheek markings are starting to come in. It's looking really good. Nice little build on her. Beside her is, I think, Garnet. Nope, Ruby. This is Ruby. This is one of the solid black girls. She has a more wavy coat. Hello, precious. Hi, how are you? Hi, baby. Soft, silky coat. She's got the little bits of white on her toes. Hey, babe. Yes, good girl. There's Pearl. Happy party girl, aren't you? Are you a party girl? Yes, you are. Party, party, party. Yes, pretty. And this is Bearite, or Bear as we call him. He is the firstborn black male. Yeah, he's a very husky fellow, very wavy coat. Soft and wavy. And sitting between my legs right here, I think, is Topaz? Diamond. This is Diamond. Diamond is female. Again, nice flat, silky coat. Lots of it. Very pretty little markings on her face. Hi, precious. And legs. I know. Happy. Bear, you're a happy boy. Diamond, you're a happy girl, aren't you? Yes, you guys have just figured out how to wag those tails. And you're pretty excited about it. You like to use them. Yes, you do. Bear, are you back for more? Yes, hello, baby. Hi. Oh, yes. Growl, 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 growl. Yes. Happy. Yeah, it's alright, Cricket. You tell him. Hey, babe. Now, this one here is Jasper. You can see Jasper's little eyebrow markings are coming in. He's getting some white now around the muzzle and on the cheeks. Are you a licky boy? Licky, licky, licky. Licky. Hi, sweetie. Yes, good puppy. Good boy. Yes. He's a very sweet little man. And this one here is Onyx. He is another black boy. He's the second biggest boy in the litter. Come here, you. He is also very sweet. He's a little quieter than Bear. A little more low-key. Hey, happy? Yes. You can see Bear's out there running around, wrestling, trying to keep up with Mum. Now this one here, this I think is Garnet. Yes, this is Garnet. He is the youngest in the litter and one of the black boys. He He might be the youngest, but he works real hard to keep up with everybody. Got that nice soft silky coat with a little bit of curl to it. Very nice little build. This one here, this is Topaz. This is a boy. Hey, sweetheart. Hi. How are you? Look at you. Pretty face. Yes, pretty face. Hey, sweetie. Yes, you're cute. Look at you. So these puppies, some of these puppies you can see are quite active. Some are a little more docile. In another 2, 3, 4 days, the ones that are quieter are going to perk up and get a little bit more active. They also just ate, so some of them are feeling that full bellies, and the full bellies have slowed them down a bit. So this is Topaz, boy, black and silver boy. This is Diamond, black and silver girl. They are the two flashiest pups in the litter for the black and silver. Amber is the black and silver there with the green toy. You see the white bum, but her markings are a little bit more subtle, as are Jasper's. His markings are a little more subtle. Hey baby, hi. So that one is Garnet, and the one on the left is Ruby. Left is the girl, right is the boy. They're practically twins, the two of them. They look very, very similar, except that the boy has a little bit more white on the tips of the toes and a little bit more white on the chest. And you, Lacey, yes, yes, you are definitely what everyone's going to be like in another week, because you are just into everything. Yes, you are. Some of these guys are definitely on the mellow side. All that food is catching up to them. So they are starting to eat some dry kibble now. Still prefer the wet canned kibble or canned food, but they get the canned food offered to them twice a day. Dry kibble soaked to soften it is offered once a day, and then dry kibble is left in their pen all the time right now, so that when they're hungry they can eat. Hey Onyx. You're just being so quiet. Yes, you are. So quiet, baby. Yes. You have the biggest belly. Hi, Amber. Pretty girl. Savannah, you having fun with all these puppies? You're just kind of walking around them. Cricket, you too. Not really playing with them. Just kind of hanging out, hey? Pups are getting much better at staying out of the food dish. So they're cleaner and figuring out the potty stuff. It's been a couple days now. There's been maybe 1 or 2 messes in the bed still. Everything else is in the potty area, which is great. So by next week they'll have that all figured out. What are you guys doing? You got a little dog pile going there. Yes, you do. Amber on the right with Topaz, and Diamond in front. And who's in the back? I bet you that's Garnet. Oh, Ruby. That's Ruby. Garnet is right here trying to play with Lacey. Yes. If you're trying to play with Lacey, it's hard to keep up with her. She's a little faster. Hey, puppies. I know my fingers taste good, but we don't chew fingers here. Nope. There. You want a toy? You take the toy. Good girl. You get that toy. You get it. You get it. You get that toy. Hey, Lacey. Yeah, you kill it. You kill the toy. You get the toy. What a good girl. Oh, now it's a tug of war. Bear's got it. Are you going to pick another one, Lacey? Good girl. Bear, that toy's bigger than you are. Oh, you guys are so cute. Yes, you are. You're so cute. Cricket is starting to play with her puppies. She likes to play with Lacey. She's going to enjoy her puppies in another week. They're a little bit more mobile. Hi, sweet girl. How are you? Yes, you are doing so good. Yes, you are. Hey, pretty puppies. Starting to get some whining. I think it's probably just about time for these guys to go to bed. At this age, they get tired and cranky and they don't know why, so they walk around whining. And if I plop them back into their bed, they go right to sleep. Hi, sweetheart. I can barely see you down there against my dark pants. You're just wanting to snuggle in, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're wanting to snuggle right in. Hey, Jasper, you too. Who are you? You are Ruby. You're a snuggler. Yes, you are. Good girl. Is your mommy cleaning you up? Cricket, don't you know you don't have to do that anymore? The bear's trying to nurse off Savannah, and Savannah's like, I don't think so. Oh yeah, this is getting to the fun age where everybody's running around, playing, and now they're interesting to watch, and you start seeing little personalities come out. Fun, fun, fun. Growling. Good girl, Amber. What a good growl. And there's Cricket doing her job, keeping everybody tidy. Good girl. Alright, well, some of these guys are slowing down. Some of them are still revving up. But we are going to sign off for now. So these are Cricket Beamer puppies, 4 weeks old. 4.5 weeks old, I guess, today.